scenes and the dream to explore. They swim from the South Pole looking for more. Now they zip across America to check out the scenes, and they want to see you traveling too. There's so much to see.
The ultimate penguin adventure spree. ChaCha Zee
In Washington, D.C.
Hey, to all you travelers out there. It's a sunshiny day in the nation's capital with oh so much to see down in WDC. But wait, it looks like our two little penguin pals are exploring the city already. Let's go see.
Oh, it's just so beautiful and majestic here. What's that wonderful scent in the air?
Chili dogs?
No, Z. It's the cherry blossoms in bloom. Okay, this is weird. What are you wearing? And what's with the big gift? I love gifts.
I cannot tell a lie.
Then fess up, Z. Is that really for me?
It's not just for you, ChaCha. This is today's travel surprise numero uno. And here's a hint. This cool house is named after the color of the building. And it's open for all you kids to come visit. Can you guess where we are?
The hot pink house?
That is incorrect.
I don't know. Come on, Z, show us.
I bet you already know, don't you? Check it out.
Wait, what? Z?
Explorers in the house.
Surprise, surprise! The White House is not just a gift for ChaCha, it's for every girl and boy. That's why they call it the People's House. Built in 1792 in one of three main federal buildings, the White House is one of the hippest places in D.C. And just like Z said, it's open for you to come and check out for yourself.
This is
Supernacular?
super perfect! Z, that's like one of those toy review thingies where they unwrap it and everything.
For the White House.
I've always wanted to come here. Thank you so much. So, what's it all about? I want to know everything.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is where I, the president, and the first family live, laugh, waddle, and play, and work a little too.
Did all the presidents live here?
Except for yours truly, George Washington, who oversaw its design. All of the presidents since John Adams all the way to our current president have called this place home. And not only for presidents, but their pets too. From dogs and cats to pet alligators and pygmy hippos. I kid you not.
That's crazy! Plus, I learned that the White House caught on fire like twice. The first time during the War of 1812, they had to redo all the stuff inside. And then the second time was in the 1930s. But that was just a little old fire in the West Wing.
Man, that must have hurt. Which one of these is the West Wing?
This wing right here, silly, where the president and his cabinet work.
My cabinet works?
The president's position is one of the most important in the federal government.
Indeed. Just as the polar bear is the mighty king of the jungle.
You mean the lion, but the president is only in charge of what's called the executive branch. They enforce the law.
The president's in charge of a branch? What's with all these words?
No, silly, a branch of government is like a big group of people working together. There are also two other branches of government that create the laws and judge the laws. So in the United States, no one is the big king.
So that no single person, lion or polar bear, can ever become too powerful.
That's right, Mr. Washington.
Whoa, hey, there you are. So next up, are you travelers ready to go check out where those judges do their judgy thing?
Do penguins have web feet? Let's do this thing.
ChaCha Zee travel tip number 1. Part of being a kid explorer is to always stay close to your parents. And here's how. Don't run ahead if you see something cool. Ask first to go see something new. And always go together. Just grab a hand. Because staying together makes traveling grand and safe.
Welcome back, travelers, as we explore the federal buildings of D.C. So far, we've learned that penguins have webbed feet and live on the South Pole, polar bears have chubby feet and live on the North Pole, and judges have judgy feet and work inside the next majestic travel surprise. Let's join our two tuxedoed travelers there now.
Thanks, announcer guy. Your honor. I present to you today's travel surprise number 2.
Thank you, Z. But again with the gift wrap?
Hey, don't judge. Our travel friends need a chance to guess where we are now. This court is the highest court in the land, and it has 9 justices. Can you guess where we are?
King Arthur's court?
Wrong country and wrong century. Now, Your Honor, please cover your eyes.
Just please don't use another cannon, Z. That was very poor taste.
Today's second surprise is the Supreme Court of the United States. Established in 1789, this is the top court with the top judges in the land. And on top, it's engraved with these guiding words: equal justice under law. It's waiting for you to walk its historic steps and explore for yourself.
Wow! I've never seen so many steps!
Or a polar bear that can fly like that.
I can't believe we all get to come here! The actual Supreme Court of the United States!
Yeah, where the 9 Supreme Court justices sit and judge the laws of our great land. Except they do their judging from inside the building.
How did you get up there? Wait, only 9 justices? For the whole country? How many were on the president's team, the executive branch?
Says here about 2 million.
I thought you said 2 million.
I did.
That's not fair, is it?
Well, 9 versus 2 million is a little lopsided, I guess.
But the Supreme Court has many, many smaller courts all over the country. Together, they are called the judicial branch, and they all work together to help every single citizen enjoy the benefits of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Wow, that's so beautiful. Zee, I have a couple of questions for you. 1, where do they actually make those laws? And 2, is that a polar bear flying a helicopter? What?
Join ChaCha Zee as they explore the National Museum of Natural History.
Let's check out our first exhibit.
Learn about the museum's past, exciting exhibits, with good friends and fun along the way.
ChaCha Zee.
In Washington, D.C.
That's right, kids. Polar bears can fly with proper training. And the nation's laws do get made by the Congress inside the prestigious halls of our final travel surprise. Can you guess the name? Hang on, we're coming in hot.
Thanks, Polly.
Wow, Polly, the polar bear pilot. That's so cute. He's so nice.
Speaking of nice, what are you wearing?
Oh, my Starzy, check it out. I'm so boss.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Honorable Senator from the great state of New Penguinland, Miss ChaCha.
Thank you. Travel buddies, our final surprise on the federal building adventure is the Office for United States Senators and Representatives. Can you guess what it's called?
A ginormous building?
Close, see. And now, without further ado, it is my honor and my turn to unveil. Ladies and gentlemen, you're gonna love this. Hold on to your hats. Behold! Sorry about that. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Now, right now! Oh, why is this happening to me? Zee, where is he?
What? Oh, yeah.
Polar Bear 1, this is Belly Flop. Come in.
Belly flop?
Yo, this is Polybear 1. What's up, Z? Floppy Belly.
It's Belly Flop. Whatever. Go for unwrap. I repeat, go for unwrap.
Sorry, Belly Boy. Still ain't got the hang of this. Yo, kids. Surprise! Thanks, Polybear. That's right. The United States Capitol Building. Located on Capitol Hill and originally constructed in the year 1800, it's home to the U.S. Congress, the legislative branch of the federal government. It boasts a humongous dome above a gargantuan rotunda, flanked by 2 wings, one for senators and the other for representatives. And as always, it's waiting for you to come explore its historic halls for yourself.
How cute! It has 2 wings, just like me. I wonder if it can fly. Actually, I wonder if I can fly.
Madam Senator, can you give us a statement about the flying polar bear and say a few things about the so-called Capitol building?
No on the bear, but yes on the building. The United States Capitol has offices and chambers for senators and representatives.
Why 2 groups?
Now let me be clear. The United States of America is a collection of states. The states with bigger cities and more people should have a little more say. So the representatives are based on population. But those states shouldn't have complete control. So they also have the Senate, where every state has the same number of votes. It balances the power.
Why is that important?
Well, it gives the majority more say, but not so much that they can control the minority.
And I assume the same thinking applies not just to states, but also to races, genders, religions, etc.?
Right you are, Reporter Z.
So will you go on record right now and confirm this is in fact where the laws are created?
Yes. These 2 groups in the U.S. Capitol make the legislative branch. They create all the laws. The judicial branch judges all the laws, with the highest part in the Supreme Court. And the executive branch enforces all the laws, led by the President of the United States from the White House.
One final follow-up, Madam Senator. Will you go on record right now and confirm that all of those powers are balanced and indeed keep each other in check?
Yes!
That was so much fun! And way to handle those reporters, sister.
I I love reporters and the freedom of the press.
And I love nachos.
And I love how the country's founders made sure the leaders didn't get too much power. Not a single person or group.
Checks and balances, sis.
That's right. Most of the power went to the states. Then they created the executive, legislative, and judicial branches to share the national power.
And just think, these 3 amazing places, plus tons of discoveries, nice people, and pizza rolls are all here for you to explore.
These adventures are not just on your phone or TV. They're totally real. You've just got to see them all for yourself. It'll be awesome.
She's right.
Zee, thank you so much for all of those surprises today. Wait, what's that? Is that who I think it is?
Yo, ChaCha Zee, could I take you to lunch?
Lunch? Does a polar bear eat popsicles?
Well, there's only one way to find out. Roger, Polar Bear 1, Belly Flop and Floppy Flipper are ready to chow right now.
Floppy Flipper? Hey, my flippers aren't floppy.
All right, we're out of here, kids. Can't wait to see you all on our next travel adventure.
Hey, seriously, bro? My flippers are perfect.
Yeah, I know.